Maybe the emptiness you are feeling isn't a sign that something is wrong with you. Maybe it's a sign that your soul is asking you to wake up. You have spent so much time chasing things that were supposed to make you happy. More money, more attention, more achievements, more followers, more approvals. And yet, when everything becomes quiet, you still feel something's missing. That feeling is not weakness, it is an invitation. A spiritual journey begins when you stop running from yourself long enough to finally listen, not to the noise, not to the opinions of everyone around you, to the voice inside that you have been ignoring for years. You don't need to disappear into the mountains. You don't need to become perfect. You don't need to have every answer. You simply need to become honest. Honest about what hurts. Honest about what you have lost. Honest about the habits that are destroying your peace. Honest about the person you have become and the person you know you could be. Because spirituality isn't escaping life, it's learning how to face it with awareness. But you need to start the journey. It's waking up in the morning and realizing that your attention is sacred, that your time is limited, that every thought you entertain is shaping you, every habit is taking you somewhere. And if you are constantly distracted, constantly consuming, constantly chasing stimulation, when will you ever hear yourself think? You have to create silence. Put the phone down, walk alone, sit with your thoughts, breathe, pray if you believe, meditate if it helps you, read something that makes you question your life, spend time in nature, and most importantly, start living according to what you know is right, even when nobody is watching. Because your spiritual strength is built in those quiet moments when you choose discipline over impulse, truth over comfort, peace over ego. There will be days when you feel nothing, days when doubt comes back, days when you wonder if you are changing at all. Keep going. Growth is often invisible before it becomes undeniable. You are not trying to become someone else. You are stripping away everything that was never truly you. The fear, the ego, the need of approval, the constant comparison, the endless noise, and underneath all of it, there you are. Still breathing, still capable of changing, still capable of becoming deeply grounded, disciplined, peaceful, and strong. So don't wait for some perfect moment to begin your spiritual journey. Begin tonight. Turn off the noise. Sit in silence for 10 minutes. Ask one question. What kind of person am I becoming? Then listen. And tomorrow live according to the answer. Because one day the noise will stop, the distraction will disappear, and you will have to live with the person you have built when nobody was watching. Not to impress the world, but because your life is sacred, your time is running, and somewhere beneath all the noise, your soul has been waiting for you to finally come home. Start your spiritual journey now.